What's up, guys? Martin here. Today we're going to be adding on some more stuff to the 636. I'm going to be adding on some spools, some frame sliders, the passenger rear footrest, and I'm also putting on a Yoshi RS5 slip-on exhaust. So this is going to be it before I take it and get it inspected, because this has a rebuilt title from Alabama, so I have to get it inspected in Georgia because it has there's different inspection whatever for Georgia. So and also I'm replacing the reservoir because my front brake still not has any pressure even after I replaced the master cylinder. So yeah, first I'm going to start off by putting on the spools and the fans sliders, the frame sliders, and the rear passenger footrest, and then we'll start doing the more fun stuff like putting on the exhaust. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I just finished putting on the spools. It was the stuff that you bolt on. Now I'm going to be putting on these Kratos flame sliders. These are non-cut, so I do not have to cut my fairings, which I'm happy that I do not have to do because I just bought them. So let's start pretty much just bolting these on too. Pretty much everything's going to be bolted on this whole video besides the muffler. I might weld that, I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it, but more than likely I'm gonna weld that. So let's start putting on these frame sliders. Okay, so we just finished putting on the frame sliders. So now we're gonna put on the passenger rear footrest. So these are just bolt on like pretty much everything else. So yeah, let's get putting them on. Okay, so I just bolted on the other foot peg. I mean, y'all really didn't need to see that on the other one because same thing, just wrench it on. We have everything that is bolt on pretty much on. We got the frame sliders, rear foot pegs. Now we're gonna go to the reservoir and we're gonna try to make this thing have brakes, and then after that we're gonna put on the Yoshi exhaust. So let's get going to the reservoir. Okay, so we finished replacing the reservoir. I just bleeded it. I just bled it. I didn't bleed it. I just bled it. It's holding pressure for right now. Hopefully it'll keep holding pressure. But my last one, it had the broken clamp that was on the top of it, so that's why I figured it might not have been getting a good seal, therefore letting air into the reservoir. So yeah, hopefully this will hold pressure. Now the fun part. Now we're gonna start pretty much taking off the whole tail of this bike and start putting on the Yoshi exhaust. So yeah, let's get going. Okay guys, we got the muffler on, but there's been a problem. I videoed the whole thing. I welded it on and everything, and it's on there. But the video file is corrupted, so I'm not gonna. It's just corrupted. So, but what I can give you though, I can give you a before and after of what it used to sound like with a cheap, crappy exhaust that the last guy had on it, against now with an actual good motorcycle exhaust. So let's do the before and after. Okay guys, that's going to be the video for today. Today we put on some frame sliders, we put on the rear footsteps, new muffler. Yeah, I believe that's it. Yeah. The next video on the 636 is going to be me going to have it inspected. This bike has a rebuilt title from Alabama. I live in Georgia, so there's different things, so I have to have it inspected again. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time.